We have new details tonight regarding the Maui Fire Department battalion chief charged with sexually assaulting a minor. Newly released court documents show Sean Rogers allegedly had sexual relations with an underage girl for years. Our Maui Bureau Chief A'ali'i Dukalo has the latest.
According to this indictment, 25-year fire department veteran and battalion chief Sean Rogers reportedly sexually assaulted a female under the age of 14 between 2019 and 2021. The alleged abuse continued until 2022, when the child, who was born in 2007, turned at least 14 but was still under 16 years old. Legal expert Doug Chin says it's common for survivors to report these kinds of offenses years later, as they need time to process. But sometimes the delayed reporting is used as an argument in court to try to discredit survivors.
But really, I think for jurors, if they're faced with that situation, that's when they're going to be listening very closely to the victim's testimony if it ever does get to trial.
Rogers is 52 years old and has no prior convictions. As a battalion chief, he supervises fire operations for a large portion of the county, from Wailuku through West Maui, as well as Molokai and Lanai. But the fire department reports Rogers is not scheduled to work this week, and it will, quote, continue to evaluate this situation as more information is available. According to the Maui Police Department, Rogers turned himself in on Wednesday and posted bail, which was set at $150,000.
I just really want to encourage everyone, especially with child abuse, to believe the child.
A sex assault survivor herself, MMA star Ilimale McFarlane is encouraging others to not only believe children, but to allow them to feel safe enough to share their stories and seek resources. That includes the Maui Sexual Assault Center. Their hotline is 808-873-8624.
That's 24/7. People can call if they're wanting support for themselves, for a loved one.
Meantime, if convicted, Rogers faces 20 years in prison. His arraignment is scheduled for June 12th. A'ali'i Dukalo, Island News.